guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely, and you're tuned into Beauty by Keely. And so today we got another makeup tutorial coming, okay? So oh Jesus. I swear it ain't the COVID, y'all. Okay, so the last video that I did, which was the eye tutorial, I was telling you about a girl that had sent me her palette and that she always sends me makeup looks to try. So she done sent me another one and we gonna test it out. This is the makeup look right here. And we gonna do this together, and if it turns out good, then you know, great. If it turns out bad, then y'all gonna see the whole process or whatever. So I think that I'm definitely gonna start doing makeup looks that you guys recommend. So you can either DM me on Instagram, I have it linked in the description down below, or in the description or whatever, or I'll put it right here at Beauty by Keely. And I want y'all to definitely send me some makeup looks to try, and we just gonna try them on camera together, you know, and see how they turn out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera or whatever, and then we gonna get into this makeup look. But before we do, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Because if not, what are you doing? What are you doing? So I'm really trying to figure out how you guys like tutorials. If you rather for me to do like a voiceover or whatever, or if you rather for me to show you the products, then show you the process but not really talking through it, or if you guys like talk throughs. So if you could please comment that down below. But I think I'm gonna just show you the products, talk about what I'm gonna do, and then do it so you guys can see the process, so this don't be way too long. Okay, so I have my eyebrows done, and if you guys want to know how I achieve my eyebrows, then I will do an updated video on an eyebrow tutorial. You know, so comment that down below. Y'all gonna have a lot to comment. But anyway, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, but I am going to do it in a fair warm. It's sort of close to a white color, because this look is going to use a lot of light colors, so we want them to be as pigmented as possible. So I'm actually going to use this to prime my lids with, blend it out, and then we can get started with the color. I have a packing brush right here, and it's from BH Cosmetics, and I also have a fluffy blending brush. So that's what this one looks like, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. And then a fluffy like detail brush or whatever. So it looks like the look starts with the yellow, and then it goes into green, orange, pink, purple, and then blue. So we are going to definitely try to mimic this look before we get into the cheetah print. So y'all just pray for me. It looks like it's just on in like the curved shape of your eye, so I really don't have to do any cut creases or anything. So let's get started with the look. Right now I kind of mapped out the colors just to make sure they would fit on my lid, and then I'm going back in with the fluffy brush and kind of blending them together, sort of using like the popular eye hack trick that they have now, placing all the colors and then going with a clean brush and blending them all together. But I'm gonna go back and reinforce the colors. Looking like at the moment. So now that it is looking like that, and I'm hoping you guys can see this really well, then we're going to kind of clean up that outside because we dragged it. So now I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and actually like try to clean it up just a little bit, so it'll be like a really sharp eye on the outside. Cause period. So now that's looking really, really clean like that. We are going to try the cheetah dots. And to be honest, I never really tried like a cheetah look before, but I'm going to use this eyeshadow primer, and I actually got this from Amazon. It's supposed to be equivalent to the P. Louise white base, if you can see that. And I'm going to take the back of my brush and do like dots and then go around it with a black liner, which I have seen would be the easiest. So we gonna try that out today and hopefully it works. Drying, because I hate for them to run into each other like how these are doing right where my lids kind of fold. I know I look crazy because I'm trying to like keep my dots from running until they dry, y'all. Like that would totally like make me mad, so I'm kind of looking like shish. But anyway, so I'm going to take the matte liquid liner from LA Colors, and it is a eyeliner that looks just like this, and it has a small precision tip on it. You can see that. I don't know where that came from. And I'm going to go around it to make it look like a cheetah print look. So let's do it. It doesn't have to be necessarily precision and clean as long as it looks like spots. So I'm actually kind of glad of that, because like it looks okay, but not as clean as I want to. Number one, I got shaky hands. Number two, like I don't feel like I'm totally sucking right now. I just feel like, you know, there's got to be a better way, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes, and the lashes that I'm going to use are by the brand Mink Blinkers Collection, and she sent me a pair of lashes, and I've actually reused these a bunch of times. They're in the style Lovely. So L-O-V-E-L-E-E, and these are nice. They're not too long, so it's not like they'll cover up the whole entire look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes on so we can see what it looks like, and then we'll start to beat the face. Okay, so I have my lashes on. If you can see it still shows the whole look. Also, while talking about lashes, if you need any lashes for your brand swatched, then I do offer lash swatches as well. You can go and check them out on my Instagram, you know, down below or whatever. And I do offer specific looks for your lashes if you just want looks created just for your lash brand, and I won't tag anybody else, you know, anything like that. So now we got the lashes on, we got the eyes done or whatever, so we're gonna go ahead and beat this whole face, and I will be right back. If you guys like any products that I do use on my face and you want a specific video on that, then please comment down below and I'll make sure that I do that for you guys. But I will be right back. So you guys, I am back and this is the final look. What do you guys think? If you guys think that this look was a hit, smash that thumbs up button. If you think it was a miss, let me know in the comments and drop me another look that you want me to try. You can see the final pictures over on my Instagram at Beauty by Keely. Make sure you go and follow me. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!